Hello guys, welcome back again to the Future Internet Cafe. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to open an eCitizen account for Kenyan citizens. So in order to access government services online such as marriage certificate, good conduct, licensing, you have to open an eCitizen account. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your browser or search engine and go to ecitizen.go.ke. Once you're there, click on register. Okay. Once you click on register, it's going to open for you to select an account type. That's why I said that this is for Kenyan citizens. So select the first option, citizen for Kenyan citizens. Okay. Once you do that, it will open the register page. In this page, you are supposed to enter your ID number, your first name only as it appears on your ID, and your year of birth. Okay. So once you do that, once you have entered your ID number, your first name, and your year of birth, click on validate. Once you click on validate, it's going to show your names as they appear on your ID and your ID number. So if it's correct, click on next. If not, click on try again. Okay. So the next stage is contact. So enter your phone number and your email address. Make sure you have access to both of these, as an OTP, one-time password, will be sent to either to both your phone number and your email. So make sure you enter the contact details that you have access to. Once you have done that, click on next. So once you have done that, it's going to send an OTP to both the phone number you entered and the email. So go to either your phone number or your email and enter the OTP that was sent, and then click on next. If you can't see any OTP, click on resend. Okay. The next stage is entering your password, the password you'll be using to access eCitizen. So make sure that your password has 8 characters, has an uppercase, has a lowercase, has at least 1 digit, and has a special character. So it's advisable not to use your name or your ID number as a password, as many people can get into your account. So for instance, assuming you are called Catherine Wangoi and you want to enter a password that meets all those requirements, you can write something like capital C, maybe Katwa, Cat for Catherine short, and Wa for Wangoi, So capital C only, and then Katwa, so the rest are small letters. Maybe Katwa at is a special character, 2024 of any. You can use either number. So that is a good example of a password that meets all the requirements. Okay, so make sure you enter a password that meets all the requirements and a password you won't forget. So once you have done that, click on next. The next stage is for the photo. You have to upload a photo, your passport photo. It will be used to show your face on eCitizen or for your profile on eCitizen. So in order to upload your photo, click on upload. Once you have done that, click on I agree to terms and conditions. So once you click on upload, after you have chosen your photo, you have to crop it to fit your minimum size on it, so how you want it to look. Once you have done that, click on save. So once you click on save, you'll see how your photo looks. After that, click on I agree to terms and conditions and click on complete. There you go. Congratulations, you have successfully created an eCitizen account. So you can proceed to log in by clicking on the sign in and enter your ID number and the password. So congratulations. If this video helped you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and if you need anything, if you're facing any problems, if you need us to feature anything, you can as well leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.